Welcome to my YouTube channel, House Plan 2D Drawing. This is the plan. This is the ground floor plan, and this other side here is the first floor plan. This is 16.535 by 22.3, which is also the same thing as the ground floor plan. So I will start dimensioning I'll start giving the dimensions for this plan. I'll start giving the dimensions. You might see it so in case you need this plan in 3D, in case you need the plan in PDF version, I will put my number in the I'm going to put my number in the description of this video. Now, as you can see, I've given the dimensions of the building. These are the dimensions. Firstly, this is the terrace. This is the entrance into the building. This is where the sitting room is going to be, and the dining is going to be here. Also, the kitchen is going to be here. So if the dining is here, the door has to be here. So in case you want to bring in the food in here, and also the sitting room, and I also have to make another door here for easy convenience, because if someone was to be in the room here and probably you don't want to eat in the dining, you can just come outside. You can come outside and enter here, rather than going all through the sitting room area and going to the dining and coming inside here. It's going to be a little bit stressful, So just this passage right here into the kitchen and the store, and that's it. The bedroom here, the bath here, bedroom here, passage, and here's outside of the kitchen. And mind you, all aspects of this drawing is of the rooms, everything is all cross ventilated for easy airflow inside the room, kitchen, parlor, and whatever places. Like if you see the bedroom, this is the 2 windows, and this is also another window for cross ventilation. And all the rooms, that's the way all the rooms are. Look at this right here, and this also this, the kitchen, of course ventilated. The dining area has 3 windows and 2 windows at the back, and 3 windows almost at the front, which is also connected to the sitting room also, which works for the sitting room also. 3 windows, 1 window here, 1 window here, so for enough air flow so that there will not be any dark place in the plan. So this is it. We are going to move on to the first floor plan now, and this is the first floor plan. This is the when you move up and you land here, each and every individual can get into their room, and I think this is one of the biggest room in the plan. This is one of the biggest room, and also this room I think is one of the biggest. After this, so when you move in, you can get your bedroom. This is your bath, and your lobby is right here. This is a terrace. This terrace serves for these 3 people here. It can be a kid's room or something, but this is what the terrace serves for. And also this lobby, there can be a little bit of sitting here if you just want to chill around and stuff. So that is that. And what again? We have the bathroom with WC in it, because this is a simple floor plan. I'm looking for something too big. And also this is a terrace. This bedroom has its own terrace. This bedroom also has its own terrace. And I will give you the dimensions out now. So in case you guys need a dimension, don't forget, I'm going to put my number in the description so I can send you guys the PDF version of this file. I'll send you guys the PDF version. I'll send you guys the, and I'll also try and see if I can work on the elevation. And also, but the 3D is ready. The 3D view of the plan is ready. So I'll also send that. Even I'm also going to put it at the end of my video so you guys can see what it looks like in 3D. And that is it. Let me just give you guys the dimension now. And this is the dimension for this first floor plan. This is the first floor plan. These are the dimensions for it. I think as I said earlier, that this room is actually the biggest room. This is 10.781 by 4858, and this is also 6831. I'm sorry, I didn't put this in millimeter, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. Yeah, so we have this. As you can see, this is the plan. And as I said earlier on, if you need the plans, you just let me know and I'll send them through WhatsApp. I'm going to post my WhatsApp number in the description, so you just check that and to be done. But if you can also get the plans, if you can get the dimensions from here neatly, then that's not bad. That's something. This is the ground floor plan, and this is the first floor plan. This is a 8-bedroom design, which is suited for convenience. 8-bedroom house suited for convenience. I make sure that I dress in a way by everybody will have, you know, their own say or whatever in the video. Yeah, so that is it. And if this video has been of help to you in any way, kindly subscribe and like my video for more plans and for more tutorials. Thank you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you.